Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put border on Microsoft 365. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically now we will be needing just to open the Word or the Office Word, and from there we will be able to apply the borders on our document. So simply, either you are using uh, the web version or the cloud version, or you are using the Office or the Word app, you will be able to have the same result. So basically, I'm just going to open a blank document, and from here, we will be needing just to go to the layout menu, and let's just search for it, and it is located here. By clicking on the layout menu, you will be able to find your margins, and you will be able also to find this like expanding button. You click on it, and from here we will be able to uh, change the layout of our page or of our documents. So from here, you can either choose whatever you like. You can also like control your margins from here, and you can do whatever you like. So I'm just going to stick on like this, and basically now we can click on OK. And from here, as you can see, this is our text, and this just go back again, and then we will find layout. So basically, from the layout, you will be able to start changing your borders. So I'm just going to make it as a box or as a 3D, do whatever you'd like. And I'm going just to choose some arbitrary color. And basically, I'm just going to click on OK. As you can see now, we have like applied uh, successfully a border on our page. And you can also do it like on your section or on your paragraph. So as you can see, after selecting your paragraph, you will be able to apply a border on it. So I'm just going to do like that and click on here. And whenever I'm just going to start like uh, breaking line, it will be like that. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.